Hi, my name is Jarrell, and I'm with Fairfax Floors. Our customers from Venice come to Fairfax Floors because we have extremely high quality products at a very fair price. Venice customers love waterproof vinyl flooring because it's so easy to maintain. It's kid-proof, life-proof, and pet-proof. It's very hard to scratch and offers great warranties. Fairfax Floors also offers a lifetime installation warranty, so if anything goes wrong down the road, you're covered. COREtec's one of the most popular because they have some of the best visuals in the industry. It looks super realistic, and it comes with some of the longest and widest planks available in waterproof flooring. Mannington is also a very popular line in waterproof vinyl plank. It's 100% waterproof, it's kid and pet friendly, very easy to clean. Luxwood is also one of our popular lines. It has a lifetime residential warranty, antimicrobial technology, and there's no glue needed to install it. And any of these samples that you see here can be taken home to your house, and we can pick them up when we give you a free in-home estimate. If you're in Venice, feel free to go online and fill out our form or give us a call anytime, and we'll be happy to set up that estimate for you. I'm Jarrell, and thank you very much for watching.